good, say.
It's us. Man.
I got pain, there's no coming back from. Really wish I could relax some. 1 minute it's me tryna put down the act. Next minute it's lights, camera, action. Baby, I know that I'm absent, but these minds getting fed from my absence. What's the norm now? Used to be baffling. I can't say no, so they keep asking. And sometimes I think to myself, what would they all do if I was just another man? And sometimes I think to myself, would they love me if I was just another man? Ooh, one thing I found out, 'cause I don't wanna be found out. At least I know when the pills go down, every voice will be drowned out. I don't want them to know how broken I really am. I don't want them to know how broken.
Sorry, lonely boy.
Ooh, say, God, can you crack me a window? 'Cause I'ma break before I break through the door. If I didn't have shit, would I still be enough for you to lay with me on the floor? I've been feeling like, hold up, never mind, I can never say. Yeah, let me float away like, ooh, never gonna be enough, no, 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 no. Never gonna be enough, no, no. Ooh, never gonna be enough. Ooh, never gonna be enough, no. Never gonna be enough. Never gonna be enough, no. Ooh, never gonna be enough, no. I got pain, there's no coming back from. Really wish I could relax some. 1 minute it's me tryna put down the act. Next minute it's lights, camera, action. Baby, I know that I'm absent, but these miles get fed from my absence. What's the norm now? Used to be baffling. I can't say no, so they keep asking. And sometimes I think to myself, what would they all do if I was just another man? And sometimes I think to myself, would they love me if I was just another man?